The costing of the service is such that it works out to be about 20% the cost of actually owning and implementing your own on-premise storage system when you include the all-in costs of doing your own job. So it's about 1/5 the cost of owning and managing your own storage. What's unique about Zetta is that we take these enterprise features that people are used to and need in their enterprise storage systems and merge those with the on-demand benefits that you get from a storage as a service offering. Typically in the market today, you can buy all the on-premise arrays that you want, and they've got tremendous on-premise enterprise class features. So there's no issue there. You can buy all kinds of storage as a service capabilities in the market today, so there's no issue there. But those storage as a service offerings don't have the enterprise features that IT professionals need. And the on-premise solutions don't have the business benefits of an on-demand model. So Zetta brings those together with unique hardware architecture and unique hardware designs and a unique service offering. So it's a service apart in the industry. Now, the people that inspired and developed that service are a set of experienced entrepreneurs that have worked together before. And actually, about 10 years ago now, a whole bunch of these guys were really employees at Netscape, and they helped Netscape bring the commercialization of the internet into the marketplaase with new features like HTTP cookies and some of the web security features, SSH security, so things that 10 years ago were implemented that enabled the web to become actually a business medium. And they're now kind of taking those same ideas and technologies and putting them into place in the as-a-service marketplace and allowing enterprises to take advantage of that service. The other set of the team founding members are folks that have had experience managing and building multi-petabyte storage infrastructures at companies like VeriSign and Shutterfly. So we've got people, a combined team that understands technology and understands how to build new distributed computing technologies, and team members that understand how to manage and build very large storage infrastructures and deliver good service levels. And these two teams together have actually built and are now delivering the Zetta storage service into the marketplace. From a performance standpoint, we're new in the market. 2009 was our first year, and we look at 4 key performance metrics that kind of, for us, we're judging how we're doing it. And the first thing that we needed to do is get technical validation. Is this something that you can actually do? Will people put their primary data in the cloud? Can you do that? And we've talked to lots of people, and one of the analysts that worked with us, IDC, offered us this quote that says, Zetta can augment and even replace the function of on-premise primary storage for Tier 2 unstructured data with the business advantages of an on-demand model. So that was like, spot on our target objective, so we were pretty happy with that. Over the course of last year, we also garnered a number of awards, and we're again pleased with those. But the true proof of the pudding is customers, and in the short 4 months that we've been in market, we've received a large number of customers give us their business. These customers range over a variety of verticals. They range over the entire United States, so a pretty good geography, and lots of use cases. People are doing backup to us, people are doing archiving, active archiving, people are putting their primary data on the Zetta cloud, so it's a nice mix of applications. We've got a chart here that plots our growing footprint of storage, so it's not just numbers of customers, but the amount of data that they're putting on Zetta is a very nice trend, and again, for only 4 months in the marketplace. In terms of potential, we see nothing that's going to turn that trend around. People are flocking to that service. The customer pain is real. Data storage rates are growing 50 to 100% a year, particularly for that file-oriented, unstructured data. The costs are not coming down to build and manage your own infrastructures, and people are actually facing tougher resource requirements in terms of headcount and capital, and all of these go towards an as-a-service solution offering. Our strategy for going after the business is a very rapid and easy onboarding of customers with a web sign-up. This particularly works in the area of 1 to 10 terabyte applications. People can swipe a credit card, and within 15 or 20 minutes they're actually using the Zetta storage with their existing applications and their existing infrastructure. So it's you decide to do it today, you're on it today, and you're up and running. No big investment. And we also have a team of sales and technical people that focus on larger deals where there may be some specialized integration that needs to take place between the customer site and the Zetta infrastructure. And we're also, as a third prong of attack, going with solution wrapping packages that take actual solutions and wrap them around the storage One example of that we're just coming to market now is a enterprise workgroup server collaboration suite that allows you to actually do remote worker data collaboration leveraging the Zetta storage. Another big feature this year, as I mentioned earlier, is geographic expansion. We're going to be taking the dual data centers that we've got here in California and expanding that footprint across the United States, actually beginning on the East Coast. So we're not marching across the United States. We're going to leapfrog to the East Coast and then kind of work our way back towards the middle. In terms of things that we can see needing from the general community, it's additional solution partners that see the benefit of partnering with an on-demand storage infrastructure. We're looking for resellers that are ready to move into an annuity revenue stream model, and that's kind of a challenge in the reseller community. But there are some that are focused on that, and we're open to talking with them. And we're looking for continued good media coverage that we've already got in terms of talking about the actual solution success cases that we're seeing with our customer base on how this on-demand model is actually helping to resolve some of their customer pain points. So thanks for the time. I'll be here this afternoon and this evening for dinner, so if anybody wants to talk, please come up and introduce yourselves.